case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1975, the Supreme Court of the United States heard a case involving Mosinee Paper Corp., a Wisconsin-based company that manufactures and sells paper products, and plastics, and Francis A. Rondeau, a Mosinee businessman who had acquired more than 60,000 shares of the company's stock. Rondeau was accused of violating federal law by withholding information from shareholders for over 2 months, potentially harming interests. The lawsuit was filed against Rondeau, his companies, and 2 banks who financed some of his purchases under Section 13D of the Securities Exchange Act of 1934. The lower court granted an injunction against Rondeau, but the decision was later overturned by the Supreme Court. The court determined that the plaintiff must establish traditional prerequisites for relief, such as irreparable harm, and that the public interest argument was not applicable in this situation. The Supreme Court cited the rule, which states that if harm caused cannot be fixed by money alone, a court may order an injunction to stop the harm from continuing. In this case, the court found that the plaintiff needed to prove irreparable harm and other criteria for an injunction before it could be granted. The court also dismissed the need for an injunction to protect shareholders who had sold their stock to Rondeau at low prices. The case, Rondeau v. Mosinee Paper Corp., highlighted the importance of courts basing injunctive relief on the traditional prerequisites, including irreparable harm, and exercising sound discretion in balancing public interests and private needs. The decision overturned by the Supreme Court ultimately sent the case back to the trial court for a reassessment of these factors.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.